These are sprout seeds. I'll put them in a bowl of water and I'll leave them overnight for them to germinate. Day 2. You can see after leaving the seeds overnight, they have germinated and tiny roots are coming out of them, which are also called radicle. The seed coat has softened and the radicle is coming out. Germination is the process by which a seed goes into a seedling. Flowers develop into fruit. The fruit contains the seed. Conditions needed for germination are water, which gives moisture, air, which is oxygen, warmth, and proper light. Steps involved for germination are: the seed absorbs water. This softens the seed coat. This also helps the embryo cells to divide and grow. Then, the seed coat bursts open. A tiny root called radicle comes out and grows downwards. A tiny shoot called plumule comes out and grows upwards. The plumule grows into stem and leaves.